I love pub night. Oh dear. Good morning, happy Wednesday people. I've just been informed apparently there is a pipe or a tap or something that is absolutely hammering water out everywhere. There's a huge puddle covering the bottom of the yard.
Yep, looks like it. Yeah. Oh, here.
Oh, hold on. We might have found something.
It's a massive puddle.
How's it coming out the thing on the wall?
Must be.
Well, I wouldn't call it hammering out as such. But yeah, it's definitely leaking a little bit. Well, slightly less than the dramatic flooding I was promised, but meh, I suppose. It's got to be dealt with. So I've turned off every tap I can find. I don't know where the back thing is. Has it stopped? See? Legend. I'm like a plumber. I'm like Super Mario.
Eventually.
One of the coolest things about drinking in a Vic is its opposite. MasterCard. Which has always got really cool cars, although this week it's 2 Range Rovers. Normally you get like Bentleys and Astons and things. However, on closer inspection, it does look like MasterCard has taken a bit of a battering. Cool. Someone wanted to get in there. Didn't make it though. That was pub night.
Hour and 10 minutes.
Not a great deal to shoot, but that was the cutest puppy in the world. So thanks for watching, and remember, seize the moment. Remember all those women on the Titanic who waved off the dessert cart?